The MQ9 itself is set to be replaced by the next generation platforms like the MQ Next, promising greater stealth, advanced AI integration, and enhanced survivability in contested airspaces. Love it or fear it, the MQ9 Reaper is a testament to the ever-evolving nature of warfare. Its legacy will shape the future of unmanned combat systems for decades to come. That's it for today's episode of Zan's Weapon Depot. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the weapons that define our world. Until next time, stay frosty. Keep your eyes in the skies. Semper Fi.